everyone, I'm Emmy here at Historic Brattonville, and today we're going to be talking about 19th century sweets. More specifically, we're going to be talking about chocolate cakes. Now, chocolate cakes comes from a recipe in the Virginia Housewife by Mary Randolph, so it's around the 1830s. Chocolate cakes are not actually made out of chocolate. The reason they're called chocolate cakes is because they are actually dipped in melted chocolate and served that way. Now, there are four main ingredients in a chocolate cake. It is flour, brown sugar, milk, and butter. And you mix them all together to create a dough, and then you fry them on the spider. Now, for those that don't know, a spider is a skillet with legs. And I have it warming up right here behind me next to my fire, and I also have my chocolate behind me melting. So the recipe calls for 1/2 pound of brown sugar, 1 quart of flour, 4 ounces of butter, and 1/2 cup of milk. So I have about 1/2 pound of brown sugar here and a little bit more than 1/2 cup. So I won't be using all of this milk, but we will be pouring in, that's about 1/2 cup. Now, historically, a lot of recipes, or they call them receipts, use vague terms for the amounts that went into a recipe. And so you would get these, a pinch, a dash, 1/2 pound, which nowadays you can easily say that's 1/2 pound. I just put a couple on at a time.
Here we have our chocolate cakes and our melted chocolate, and they are ready to be eaten. So thank you so much for watching, and if you want to do more stuff like this, blacksmith, woodwork, cook, please join us as a volunteer. Head over to chmuseums.org/volunteer where you can fill out the volunteer application and start coming out.